What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the Independent Experience. I'm IndyXP, and this is your morning market wake-up call for Friday, September 18th, 2020. We've got a very interesting article to get to today, and then, of course, it's Free Gold Friday, so you guys are going to stick around to the end of the video to find out how you can win yourself some free gold. Let's go ahead and take a look at the markets and see where we're going to be starting today off at. Gold is steady, currently at 1957.32. Silver is down slightly at 27.11, giving us a ratio of 72.19. Platinum steady at 951.10, and palladium is down slightly at 23.95.21. In other metals markets, rhodium is down $200, currently at $13,400. Copper is down a penny at $3.08. Nickel is down several cents at $6.76. Aluminum is at 79 cents. Zinc is actually up a penny at $1.12, and lead is at 85 cents. Barrels of crude oil are still above $40. We are seeing a little bit of a downturn this morning. It's down to $40.65. On Wall Street yesterday, it was not a very fun day. We saw losses across the board. The Dow Jones was down 130 points at 27,901.98. The NASDAQ was down 140 points at 10,910.28, and the S&P 500 was down 28 points at 3357.01. If you guys trade in Bitcoin, those are up. We just saw it go over 11,000. It's come back down. It's still right there at that cusp of that. It's at 10,989.61. And if you happen to trade in the Goldback, either the Utah or the Nevada, those are exchanging at $3.24. As I stated earlier, in today's video, we're reviewing an article. It's a very, very interesting topic, I thought anyway. This comes to us from Kitco News. Ex-Deutsche Bank precious metals trader says in court he was taught how to spoof by his superiors. Now, if you're not familiar with what spoofing is, that is where they place buy and sell orders at the same time that they have no intention of actually fulfilling, so they can jack around with the price and get some benefit out of it. I think they do explain that in this article. Let's go ahead and jump on into it. The world of precious metals trading continues to get murkier, as one former Deutsche Bank gold analyst told a Chicago jury earlier this week that he was taught how to manipulate gold and silver prices by two successful senior traders he worked for about 3 years. During his testimony in court, David Liu said that after joining the bank's Singapore office, he began making spoof trades the way he was taught by Cedric Chenu and James Vorley. He added that Chenu and Vorley often placed buy and sell orders they never intended to execute, a strategy intended to influence prices so they can reap illegal profits. The latest testimony is just part of the government's case against the two Deutsche Bank gold traders, who were facing charges of fraud and conspiracy that span a 5-year period between 2008 and 2013. Vorley and Chenu are accused of manipulating precious metal markets by placing and canceling orders before they can be filled, an illegal move that is referred to as spoofing. Quote, "I saw Mr. Vorley and Mr. Chenu do it," he said. Liu, who is the prosecution's top witness. Liu pleaded guilty to spoofing charges and is cooperating with the government in return for leniency. In his testimony, he said that he sat next to Chenu in the Singapore office from 2009 to 2012. They regularly communicated with Vorley in London through video chats. Liu described one situation in detail, which he helped Vorley push up gold prices. Liu said that he placed an order to sell 15 futures contracts valued at around $1.8 million based on the prices at the time. Meanwhile, Vorley placed an order to buy 80 contracts, which would have been worth about $9.9 million. When the price of gold rose, Vorley canceled his buy order and Liu executed his sell order, Liu said. Although spoofing is illegal, Liu said that they were so commonplace among his coworkers that he figured it would be okay. The ex-trader's defense lawyers sought to discredit Liu's claim that Shinu and Vorley intentionally canceled trades in cross-examination. Liu acknowledged that there could be a number of reasons why a trader could cancel an order. There's no button that says what intent is, the defense lawyer said when questioning Liu. Vorley and Shinu have pled not guilty of their accused crimes. The court earlier at the start of the week, in court earlier at the start of the week, their defense counsel argued that spoofing is an accepted bluffing strategy in the competitive world of high-frequency trading. They also noted that none of their actions were flagged by the bank's compliance department. Anti-spoofing laws were passed under the Dodd-Frank financial reforms of 2010. All right, so there we have it. Looks like we've got a couple shady traders that are about to go down. Be interesting to see how that turns out. I'm going to keep an eye on that. So guys, go ahead and leave a comment down below on how you think this case will turn out, and make sure that your comment includes the word spoof, because that is the word of the week for Free Gold Friday. That's right. On Monday, we're going to be drawing a winner for Free Gold Friday, and you are going to win some real gold, not a spoof, none of this shenanigans of money manipulation, gold pricing manipulation. It's going to be in your hands, and guess what else? Channel sticker. Everybody loves channel sticker, but I think we probably all love gold a little bit more, so make sure that your comment includes that. Guys, I do greatly appreciate every single one of you, and if you happen to appreciate Rolling DXP, why don't you go ahead and hit that thumbs up button for me right there. Helps me out immensely. If you happen to be new to the independent experience and you want to keep up to date on when all the latest and greatest content is coming out, go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe and jingle bell right there in the corner, big ball, so you can keep up to date on when all the new content's coming out. If you want to catch up on the back catalog, of course, there's going to be a box appearing right in this area, right here. So make sure you hit that up. After this video, it would help you get caught up on the back catalog. Guys, I've been NDXP Bullion from the Independent Experience, and I'm here again to remind you, if the women don't find you handsome, they should at least find your pockets heavy.